This is the Nautilus CC Supreme pool cleaner. If you're familiar with the Dolphin pool cleaners, then you know that they really are top notch. And so this one is, like I said, this is the Supreme. There is the Pro and the Plus, but this is the highest end of what the Dolphin makes. And so I'm just going to show you a few things about it that I really like, and then I'm going to put it in the pool and let you see it at work. So first of all, I like this big handle as far as carrying it around. I will say that it is pretty heavy getting it in and out of the pool, but I do like just being able to grab the handle. When it's going in the pool, it's easy to get it out. I'm going to show you the filter system here. So all you do, it's easy to clean. Pop these up on the side, and there's actually 2 filters, which I like because it holds a lot. And you see here, you just pull this out, and then this also is very easy. You just snap these to undo them, both of these, and they just pop just like this. So I just actually rinsed it out and about to put it back in the pool. Also like that it easily just snaps back in there. So the cleaning part about this I really like. Now the other thing about the Supreme, speed and its power, it can clean up a pool that's 20 by 40 in under 2 hours. So that's really nice. Now if you like to be able to control things manually, then this is definitely the one for you, because it has a smart app that you can hook it up to. And when you do that, you can adjust the cleaning modes, which if you want it to do only the floor or the walls, or you can do it or full clean. You can also do it manually. It's the only one that you can actually put it on your phone and move it and do it manually. And it also can send you notifications and monitor the cleaning process. So this is where the power comes from. I'm going to plug it up and then I'm going to put it in the pool for you. Okay, also you can kind of see the bottom of this and see how it climbs the walls, right? And how it goes in and just maneuvers. Now it takes a minute when it goes off the wall and it appears and kind of looks like, oh wait a second, is it stuck? But it's not. You can see it's just slowly staying on the wall and going on the side, which is really cool. All right, so if you're just trying to debate, you're trying to figure out which pool cleaners for you, especially if you are just looking at the Dolphins. If you're looking at the Plus, the Pro, I would definitely go with the Supreme. It's worth it, especially if you like to do things through a smart app. But it also has a caddy that you can purchase separately. That's really nice. We do not have that. So anyway, I hope this video was helpful.